it's Chad with Whiz Bang Racing. In 2021, we competed drag week in my 67 Mustang. We completed the week averaging 1071, made into the Street Machine Eliminator. I won the first round, and then we lost on the second round due to my poor reaction and a slipping transmission.
They're just working with a number that's been placed on the windshield based on their weekly average.
After drag week, we went to make another couple passes with a local car club. First pass, I did my personal best of 1057 in the car. And on the second pass, we blew up the motor. So we were running it on 93 pump gas and a 200 shot, and we melted some parts. You can see the rings had come together to start to about crack the piston, and the middle rings are stuck in there solid. And we melted a few spark plugs. Since then, we've torn the motor completely apart. We've got new pistons. We got a little bit bigger cam with 6 degrees more duration, and we put the motor back together. Now we're working on the transmission. We've got it apart and back together with some freshened parts. Right now we're waiting on a trans brake valve body, a higher stall converter, and we're gonna put this mess back together and put it back in the car. We swapped to an aluminum center section with big pinion and 350 Pro gears in it, and we switched to Calvert Racing split monoleafs with Caltrax bars. The car has nearly a full interior and actually rides pretty nice in there. The car currently has a 6-point roll bar in it. The plan is to take it to Larson Race Cars and get a full cage installed in it. Remember, stickers add horsepower, but duct tape reduces drag.